YouTube? Dorito here. Lucha isn't here today, so I figured I'd go ahead and take the TrailMaster out on a run today. Put the GPS, see how fast I can get it going, and video it. So let's go ahead and get on with it, shall we?
I said let's get this two-bit taco stand on the road, all right?
Okay, so we took it for a test drive. Hope you guys checked it out for the new camera. Hope that all worked out real good. Got it up to 39 miles an hour. I do feel I could have gotten it faster had I had more room, but that was a good stretch. And for the dirt, I mean, geez, you can't beat it. So I'm gonna have to look into that a little further and maybe run it some other time and see what we can get out of it. It is real hot today too as well, so you know, maybe that has stuff to factor in. All right, so this is where we give our shout outs to subscribers, because we really appreciate you guys. We really appreciate you coming in and checking us out. We really appreciate your comments too. You guys ever see anything you like or you dislike, go ahead and leave a comment in the channel. Let's go ahead and give a shout out to Broke Necks. Those guys are real cool. They're from Alaska. They got some ATV stuff. I saw their 4th of July intro. Real cool, the fireworks. You guys rock, man. Thank you for subscribing. And then Larry Johnson. Larry Johnson, he seems like he's got some cool stuff too. So thank you for subscribing, Larry Johnson. You rock, brother. And then we got Bearded Yakin. That guy's got me a little puzzled, and I got to keep checking his stuff out. I'm wondering who he is. So go ahead and check out Bearded Yakin's channel. And you rock, brother. Thank you for subscribing. And then G-Fam. G-Fam, they're real cool. They look at a lot of things. They actually got some cool stuff on their channel. Check them out too. Really appreciate you guys subscribing. You rock. And then last but not least, we got Sane Auto. Thank you guys for subscribing, and you definitely rock too. So anyways, check out these people's channels. Go ahead and give them a shout out. Tell them Dorito and Lucha Cabre sent you. And always be sure to come on back and watch us and leave some comments and like and subscribe if you haven't. So have a good one, people. Rock on. Peace.
Don't forget to remember. Don't forget.